Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about the miraculous movement of rocking. And rocking is a movement that most of you did as a child, and when you were a child, it was the movement that prepared your body to crawl, and it also gave you your posture. Turns out, as an adult, it can help restore your posture, restore your squat, prepare your body to crawl, or just really tie your body together, and is great for your brain. But anyway, rocking is simply being on your hands and knees, and if you're on a hard surface or you have tender knees, just get yourself a pad or some pillows. But all you do is you rock back and forth. And this is the miraculous movement because it does help connect both hemispheres of your brain, but it really teaches your body how to stabilize and mobilize and just move. It gives your joint stability so that your muscles, your prime movers, are free to move those joints. Anyway, everything in your body, all the muscles around your body, your stabilizers and your movers, they all learn how to do their job when you're rocking. And if you keep your eyes and head up on the horizon, it's what restores the curve in your cervical spine and your lumbar spine. But again, this is an amazing movement. And if you look, it's a squat, right? You can also go plantar flexion or dorsiflexion or heels in, heels out in either of those. But you want to spend a lot of time, and when I say a lot of time, I mean consistent time. Like, this is a movement that is worth doing every day. It's even a movement that's worth doing throughout the day because it activates your vestibular system. It has a very calming effect on your nervous system. It takes your autonomic nervous system from sympathetic mode to parasympathetic mode, or from fight or flight to rest and digest. But it teaches all your joints how to move together and dance together as one whole body. And it restores your posture and your squat. So the rules are, if there are rules, are to move where you can while you can keep your eyes and head up on the horizon with a tall chest. So if you move back or if you rock back and your head drops or your spine starts to round, you've rocked too far. So what you can do in those situations though is just rock to where you can maintain your head up or where your back wants to round, and you stop right before that happens and you just hang out and breathe deep down into your belly. And what you'll notice is, hopefully, is when you exhale, your body will start to give you more motion. And the reason that is because your diaphragm is a spinal stabilizer. And so when you allow it to do its job to stabilize the spine, it strengthens your inner core unit and it tells your brain, hey, I'm safe. And it allows your brain to let go of the muscles that are restricting you from moving through your full range of motion. All that to say is breathing is a reset, and it can reset your other movements that are resets as well. So kids, remember, breathing's a reset inside the resets, and rocking is a very powerful reset, and you can use your breath to reset the pattern of rocking to allow you to get into your full range of motion, to allow your joints to get into their full range of motion so that you can move optimally for your body and feel good in your own skin. Anyway, all that to say, if you're not rocking back and forth every day or often or throughout the day, this is a movement that is very worth doing and adding into your movement toolbox. It just makes everything about your body move better. It soothes your soul, it calms your emotions, helps regulate your brain, and it teaches all your joints how to move. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.